one who puts tomat on a person, tomat, okay? What does Islam say about that? Yeah, it is worse than the backbiting because this is called bohtan and this is called iftara, which means you are accusing someone of not someone who is not guilty of. So that is worse than the backbiting is worse in the Quran, which says that when you backbite on behind your brother or sister, is as good as you are. It is worse than as you eat the flesh of your dead brother. So this is backbiting. But bohtan, because Rasulullah was asked that the backbiting is something, Ya Rasulullah, we do it because we find that the problem is there with the man. So Rasulullah has said, yes, this is backbiting. That the thing which you are saying, it is there, but when it is said in front of him, he will feel bad about it. He will be upset. He won't like it. So that's called backbiting. But bohtan is something which you are, blaming someone, accusing someone, putting allegation upon someone, and you have no proof for that. Then definitely, Quran says that such person should be brought to the oath of the 4 times that person has to say, I swear by Allah, I'm speaking the truth. I swear by Allah, I'm speaking the truth. I swear by Allah, I'm speaking the truth. And the 5th time the person says that Allah's curse be upon the liar. Like that. First, the one who blames someone, he has to bring the dalil and proof and evidence. But if it doesn't, then both of them have to make this, oath to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that they swear by Allah 4 times saying that they are speaking the truth, and the 5th time it has to, it has to be said that those who lie upon, those who are Allah's curse be upon the liar, like that.